The government has their gang stalkers banging on my door right now. I just got off a call. They just sent a military helicopter over my home. Was harassing me with Watershed when I came back from the park, was harassing me at the park, heading to the park, and now they have one of their gang stalkers outside banking on my door right now. And they do this every time I open my windows, my blinds. Every time I open my blinds, they send someone over here to bang on my door. So they have individuals across the street that are FBI agents and proxies sitting in their homes shooting pellets at my home. United States government. They do this on a nonstop basis. They refuse to stop harassing me.